before they turn it on.
Not turned on yet. 30th of October 2021.
Meadowhall hasn't turned the lights on yet.
Not yet. Ooh. This is what it looks like before they put the lights on.
I already know I want Christmas.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want another banana. You know
A what?
You know those toys, bananas?
Banana.
You know you've already wanted the banana toy.
I don't know what a banana toy is.
It's a toy and it's a banana.
Alright, show me what they look like.
You can go on at home.
No lights on yet. Eliza, are you looking? You win a prize.
How do I do like this?
It's keyboard. Annie, you win a prize.
So let's try this.
Prize machine.
Hello.
So you're not able to pick it up from the store because we don't have any stock in it at the moment. So you can't get it delivered to your house.
Prize machine. What do you win though? Play it.
Wait for the rest back.
Look closer.
It's not like it's so it's really cool hypnotized.
I want to buy that. How much is that?
I don't think we can.
More Christmas lights yet to be turned on.
It looks like the same as before. Okay, that's
We got a candy box there as well. It's not slush. Candy box. Isn't it candy? Free. What is it? What they're selling? Let's figure it out. Snow fairy. Bubble. What you swap coat? You want that one? Cost £15 more.
What comes with that?
£45.
So that.
Is that smaller or bigger? Adidas, you brand. Paying 15 quid extra for the brand. Shut up. How much is it?
It's 45.
Yeah.
This is £59, I think.
That's 32. Well, you just made a swap it now. You're giving it back. One coat, not two. Sam, you want a coat? So what's the damage? How much did it all cost? 255 quid. How much is the backpack? 20 quid.
But hers was expensive.
Yeah, inflation. It's inflation. A year ago it'd be half that. It's hyperinflation at Sports Direct. Got hyperinflation. It's gone up. Everything's gone up. 50%. Which one you getting?
That pink llama.
But yeah, 6 quid. Whoa, what about the dinosaurs? Whoa, it's done. Pink llama. Look here, Eliza. Look here. They don't stay afloat long. Did they put helium in them? Yeah. Walk down there, Eliza. What, me? You got it? What do you mean? Bring it, Eliza. Whoa, it's flying. Whoa.
I don't think it is a Saturday.
What's inside? Whoa. Smells strong. Would you want any?
I don't know why it smells like candy.
Smells like candy. He's walking.
Yes. He's not doing this.
He's bouncing. We're going now. Come on, this way. Whoa.
Are you serious?
You're talking to it. Come on. Eliza, where's your balloon gone? On the roof. Whoa. He's gonna fly away. Meadow balloons. There we go. See, look, the budgie projector light, it flies. Still works.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Yeah, hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.